Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Klaviyo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Klaviyo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Klaviyo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers, and with Klaviyo, they make it easy with SMS and then also email communications. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Klaviyo website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already opened up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Klaviyo account, you want to go ahead and click on the sign up button here in the center or on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, in order to create your Klaviyo account, you need to enter in your email, create a password, your company name, company website, phone number, and then they ask how you're going to be using Klaviyo. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all this information in off screen. Yeah, I went ahead and entered in the required information. I'm going to click on create account. Okay, next, in order to create your Klaviyo account, they're going to ask you a few questions. So they want me to describe my business. So I'm going to go ahead and choose whichever one applies most to you. So I'm going to do this one and then click on continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose what describes your business. So I'm going to choose those and click on continue. Okay, now they're asking me where my sales happen. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put Stripe and then continue. Okay, now they're asking how many contacts that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and do less than 1,000. All right, next they do need a physical address and they say this is to comply with international anti-spam laws. So I'm going to go ahead and put my physical address here and then click on continue. Okay, next you need to put in your sender email address. This is the address that's going to be noted on your email marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then click on continue. Okay, now they're asking how I'm going to contact my subscribers with email, SMS, or both email and SMS. So I'm going to do email only. Okay, next Klaviyo did send me an email to confirm my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over there. Okay, next it's asking me to confirm my email by clicking on this email link. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me directly into my Klaviyo account. So I can go ahead and start setting up campaigns. I can import my audience. I can connect my Stripe. So this is the dashboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.